we've made it to winter, and by now you should have received your box, and I'm very excited to show you how to put this together today. We got some really fun stuff to play with, and it's the first box where it's completely all-inclusive. I sent you all the flowers, I sent you all the product. It's gonna be really fun to arrange these winter wreaths. What I love most about winter wreaths is that they're not holiday wreaths. When you're standing in your living room, that moment after you've taken down all your holiday decor and you just kind of feel like it's a little empty and you're not sure what to do with it, and then you now have a kit that you can put together and you can hang this either inside or on your door. At the end of the day, it'll just look great all winter long, not holiday related. It's going to be perfect. So I'm excited to show you how to put this together. So all of you will have received your 10-inch grapevine wreath frame, and then you will have either got in the green paddle wire or the copper paddle wire. Either of them work great. And then you'll have your dried flowers. We have the pussy willow branches here. Make sure you're being so careful with dried floral. Remember that it's a little crispier, a little crunchier, so we gotta be a little more careful with it, but you've got this beautiful dried pussy willow. Now be careful with these. The pods on these break off very easily. And then this is called straw flower, and it's one of my favorite dried florals because it dries with such a perfect floral shape. It doesn't collapse on itself and look all weird. So one of my very favorite dried flowers for wreaths or any dried floral project. These are beautiful, and they also, the little ones just shine out like beautiful little stars. I'll show you that in a second. You'll see that they were packaged very cautiously in your box. So until you're ready to use them, just make sure that they're in a safe space. Also today I will be using my floral snips from the starter kit and my wire cutters to cut that wire. And after I have all of this put together, I will be ready to start. So let's get started.